So my name is Tina Kocab, and I am a senior broadcast technician at Ideastream Public Media. A fifth grader from Marion Local in Maria Stein wrote, "Can you describe what it's like to be a broadcast engineer?" It's hard and fun is the most important thing about what it's like. I get to play with really cool equipment all day long. I get to learn really fun new things, get to watch TV, and I get to learn a lot about our environment and the world around us, which is really fun. A fourth grader from Chardon Hills STEM School in Euclid wrote, "Have you ever worked with technology that you've never worked with before?" Yes. So that's another thing about broadcast engineering that is so much fun, is the technology changes so frequently that you have to learn new things fairly frequently. I've had to learn digital audio because when I was in school, we learned analog audio and how that's different. And so, yeah, broadcast engineering is a lot of fun just because you have to learn new technologies all the time. A fifth grade student from Nolly Elementary School in Akron asks, "How hard is it to be a broadcast engineer, and are you always busy?" That's a really hard question and a good question because it's hard and not so hard all at the same time. It's hard to learn some of the equipment and some of the different technologies, but it's not hard to get your first job. There's so many television stations and radio stations and media production houses that if television is something you're interested in, it's not that hard to find a job just because there's so many places. But you have to work really hard once you're in your job to learn all the different pieces of equipment and how they work. And is it always busy? Yes. A fourth grader from Botkins Elementary in Botkins wants to know, what is your favorite part of your job? All of it. All of it is my favorite part of my job. I've been in broadcast engineering for 35 years. I'm really old. But I love it because I get to meet really amazing people. I get to go to fun places and do fun things. And I get to work with all this really cool equipment. And I get to be on TV once in a while, and I get to be on NewsDepth. And I get to meet kids like you that are interested in learning about the career and that are just starting, thinking about what you want to do in this world. And so having that opportunity really is a lot of fun. So all the parts of my job I think are my favorite. So if I had any advice for kids coming into this career, it would be to work hard and pay attention and learn computers, because everything in broadcast engineering now is about computers. So you have to have really good computer skills, but you also have to be flexible and you need to love it. Pick a job that you really love, because then it's not so hard to go to work every day.